Welcome back to the Revved Up channel. The 2025 Ferrari 488 Pista, draped in a sleek and commanding black, represents the epitome of luxury and performance. This supercar, with its deep, shadowy finish, exudes an aura of mystery and power, captivating onlookers with its bold presence. The black paint accentuates the car's sculpted lines, giving it an intimidating yet refined look that demands respect on the road. From the moment you lay eyes on the 2025 Ferrari 488 Pista, it's clear that this machine is designed to thrill. The aggressive stance, low-slung body, and aerodynamically perfected curves are all hallmarks of Ferrari's relentless pursuit of perfection. The black exterior, however, adds an extra layer of sophistication, turning this supercar into a statement of style and elegance. Design and exterior features. The 2025 Ferrari 488 Pista's design is a seamless blend of function and beauty. In black, the car's aerodynamic features are accentuated, giving it a more sinister look. The front fascia is dominated by large air intakes, designed to cool the powerful engine that lies beneath the hood. The sleek, swept-back headlights give the car a predatory gaze, while the sharp lines that run along the sides emphasize its speed and agility. The black paint job highlights the carbon fiber elements that are integral to the 488 Pista's design. The lightweight material is used extensively throughout the car, from the front splitter to the rear diffuser, helping to reduce weight and improve performance. The dark finish also enhances the visual impact of the car's aggressive rear wing, which provides additional downforce at high speeds, ensuring that the 488 Pista stays glued to the road, even during the most intense driving sessions. The wheels, finished in a matching black, complete the car's menacing look. These lightweight, forged wheels are not just for show, they're designed to optimize performance, providing the perfect balance between strength and weight. The carbon ceramic brakes, visible through the spokes, are a testament to the car's